Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to create subtitles in Davinci Resolve 18. So this is my clip, take a look.
This is my MacBook Pro M1 Max, which I've been using for a little over 30 days now.
So we are going to create subtitles for this particular clip. First thing you need to do is go over here to this effects panel, click on that, and you can close this media pool if you see it. So click on that to close it, and go over here to toolbox and titles. And then go over to this search box and type sub, and as you can see, subtitle is already here. So just drag and drop it on top of your clip, like so. And then, as you can see, I can move my subtitle like this, and I can make it shorter or longer like this. So let's say I will pick up the first word.
This is my MacBook Pro.
This is my MacBook Pro. So we are going to create subtitle for that. So I'm going to move it at the start and shorten it so it fits the sentence.
This is my MacBook Pro.
And now to retype what it says, just click on it and it will show you in this inspector. If you don't see it, click here on inspector and then type in what it is saying. So let's hear one more time.
This is my MacBook Pro.
This is my MacBook Pro. So type it in. This is my MacBook Pro. And as you can see, the subtitle is here and it says this is my MacBook Pro. Now let's head on the start.
This is my MacBook Pro M1 Max, which I've been using for a little over 30 days now.
And you can easily copy it. I will make it larger. You can make it larger like this and like this to see better. And then hold Option and drag and drop your subtitle to copy it and listen what the next sentence is.
Pro M1 Max, which I've been using for a little over 30 days.
So you can create like this next word and just basically type it in and copy it one more time with Option and just retype it like so. So it's really this easy, guys. It will require you some work to do, manual work, but it's okay, you can do it. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.